Hello everyone, so in this video we will talk about Google Chat application, and I would like to give you a tutorial the way how to create a quick, super real quick and urgent meeting, online meeting on Google Chat. So basically Google Chat is an application that developed by Google, so it will be linked into the other Google applications such as Google Meet that we usually use it for the online meeting. So let's just open the Google Chat right away. Open your app library and then just type chat and click it to open it. And now you just need to open the group chat that you have been created, that you want to have a meeting with too. And after you open it, now you just need to take a look on this bottom line. There will be several options there. Go click this plus button and there will be an options about the media or attachment that you can use or you can share to this room chat. So since we want to have a quick urgent online meeting, you just need to go click this meet link, and the application will prepare the link of the Google Meet right away. So you just need to go click this send, and you just need to say to them that this is urgent, and you just need to wait until all of your members join the meeting. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and see you for the next tutorial.